If there's any question that you have about the recipe, don't hesitate to put it in the comments below and I will answer all questions, every single one, whether I get 2 or 20 or 20,000, everyone. Well, hey everyone, today I have another 2-ingredient recipe that I thought you might like to know about, and once again it involves banana. So of course that means banana is one of the ingredients, but instead of oatmeal, this time I am mixing bananas with eggs. I'm making banana scrambled eggs. This will actually be the 3rd time I've made it. The first 2 times I made it with 1 banana and 1 egg, and this is the first time I'll have tried it with 1 banana and 2 eggs. Anyway, I'm not going to stretch out this video by doing a lot of talking, so here's how I made my banana scrambled eggs this morning. They turned out to be quite good, but I think it was a little bit too much for me to eat, but I did eat it all. Well, everyone, thanks for watching, and I hope you all have a great day. Take care. Bye.